He's excited. So, hey there, this is my dog Curtis over my shoulder here, whining away, and I'm on my way right now to do a few errands, but later on today I'm going to get to some printing and I'll take you in the darkroom with me. I just made a print offer that's going to last until tomorrow night at midnight, and I'm going to tell you about that and just kind of show you me doing a few of those prints, that kind of thing. Sorry, it's been a while since I've been since I've done any kind of posting, but it's just been kind of crazy lately, and I don't know, kind of watching the numbers go. It's been nice that all you guys have still been watching the YouTube channel, that kind of thing, and I'm really looking forward to getting back into some vlogging and doing a few things that aren't all just photography, but a lot of it will be. I got a new plan to take everybody out on some shooting expeditions digitally with digital camera. I'm not going to do any web plate or anything like that this time. I'm just going to take out my Nikon D810, do some photographs, and bring them back to the darkroom. And I'm setting myself up with Camtasia, and I'm going to do a little practice with that. But I'm going to do a little bit of processing of my imagery through Lightroom and show you what I do. Show you what you can do to make a photograph more dynamic or more than what it is when it comes out of your camera, that kind of thing. So stick with me, and I'll get to that a little bit later here, but right now I gotta drive. So enjoy the road, and I'll talk to you later. Got pretty windy out there. Anyway, I'm supposed to be doing errands, not playing around by the lake. It's the best part of playing hooky on errands. It's an M&M mixer with a little bit of malt. My favorite. Nothing like a mixer. And I'm not playing hooky for my errands. I'm just showing you the fun stuff. Staying away from the boring stuff I have to do. It's turning into a really nice day though, and I'm not so sure I want to go back into the darkroom. Damn, there you go. That's how you kill a day. Go out to do a couple of errands, and you live in a beautiful place. It's kind of hard not to stop along the way and have some fun. Yeah, it's easy to eat up the days around here. So I haven't even gotten into the darkroom yet. Hopefully we'll get there soon. But it's been fun having you along so far.